If you're watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe. When you subscribe, please hit the notifications bell for me. Anyways, let's get into the game. Guys, we're back with another Roblox Flat Escape 2 video. And we're supposed to be... Excuse me there. We're supposed to be beating this normal map, and it's called Mysterium, and it's a new map that just came out, and there's a pro update. Alright, we're actually doing it. I never beat this on the iPad. I only beat this on the computer, okay? Okay, there's a lot of pros getting those buttons over there. Yo, so many people are surviving. Look at this. This is the part where I always die because of my sensitivity. I always die in this map. Oh, well I can't say that anymore. Oh, no, it's lagging. Crazy Blocks, if you're watching this, please fix the glitches I am about to do, okay? This is the hardest map in the game. This is literally the hardest map in the game. I'm doing it. I'm actually doing it. I'm doing it. No, switching. No. No. Oh, rest in peace. We had it. No. Okay, yes. Mysterium. This is the map we're supposed to be beating. And if I screw up on this, I will be so mad. You literally don't know how mad I will be if I die in this map. Okay, it's not that... Oh my god! So much pros are getting the button. The thing is, pros think they're slick. And they're not even that cool. And there are these pros that's like level 5 or 6, and they beat like insane maps. That's because they probably have another account when they were probably banned from the other account. Yo! So many people get on the button. Yes! We're gonna do this. And if we don't, I will be so mad. 3, 2, 1. Yes! We beat it! We beat it! For the video! We beat this map! For the video, guys! Yes! Oh my god! What are they doing? You literally don't know how impossible Dark Side Facility is. But we beat this map. That's all that matters, okay? You know what? We're letting other people get in the button. It's lagging a bit, but that's okay. It's lagging a little bit, but that's still okay, guys. What? How did he do it? Ugh! I can't do the glitch. No! It keeps lagging me. Oh, never mind. No. Okay. Okay, we beat this again. I don't know why I'm so good at this map. I almost fell. That's the part where almost everybody dies. I almost died. He just fell into it like he was gonna commit suicide. But seriously. Crazy Blocks. If you're watching this glitch I'm about to do, please fix and patch. Crazy Blocks needs to patch this glitch. Let's try and you know what? No. I hate doing it in first person because I always die on this map in first person. So much shortcuts. These pros think they're slick. Why do these pros think they're so slick, man? When they're not even cool. I am supposed to be the one that's cool, not you guys, okay? Even if you guys subscribe to me, you still are not that cool. If you're watching this video, Crazy Blocks, please patch this glitch. Crazy Blocks, patch this glitch. Like, what are you doing? Please patch this glitch. Like, you seriously have to patch this. What are you doing? You have to patch this glitch. Because Crazy Blocks, because I thought you was gonna patch this, Crazy Blocks. More like Crazy Dude. I don't care what his name is, okay? All I know is he's just the creator of the game, okay? No, I keep falling. It's also keep lagging. It's lagging a bit, but that's okay. Oh, why are so many people getting the button? No! God darn it! I failed! No! It keeps lagging! Stop lagging! Stop lagging! The game is lagging. That's what sucks about this. Oh, I actually did it. Now you can swim in lava for the rest of your life. What? How did D get over here? Yo. Okay. I'm swimming. Yo, this is cool. We're swimming in real life lava. Isn't this insane, man? Look at all these buttons we pressed. Look at this. Isn't that crap insane? Look at this. Over there. Isn't that insane, man? Wow. I just don't know what to say. But anyways, we beat the normal map. We beat the normal map. That's all that matters. And I'll make this video for like a 15-minute video. No! Sorry, and also sorry about my reception. And it's lagging so much. And it's causing me to die. If I fall in this, I will be okay, but no. I was gonna beat Dark Side because I love Dark Side facility. Maybe in the next video I will do insane video or insane moments of what? Oh, I thought I didn't get the button. I guess that will be almost it for today. Whoa. Isn't this cool? Crazy Block should also fix a thing that you spectating a person in the game. Just ignore that ear thing in the background. That'll almost be it for today. That's gonna almost be it for today. Oh, you already got the button. Because sorry I'm playing Flood Escape 2 so much. This is my favorite game. Yo, no one's getting the button. Yo. Okay, we beat the map. That's all what matters, okay? That's all what matters. I think I have time for one more map. Because I can't make a video over 15 minutes. Just letting you guys know, I can't make a video over 13 minutes. I mean over 15 minutes. I guess that'll probably be it for today. I guess that'll be it. I guess that will be it for today. But that'll be it for this for today. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. But all what matters if we beat Wild Savannah. I mean, if we beat the Forgotten Times. All what matters is we beat in Forgotten Times, guys. That's all what matters. And I like the music in this game. This is my last chance I'm doing. Alright. Guess that'll almost be it for today. Peace. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.